Alright, that looks nice. Nice and washed up. So my truck has been sitting out here in this shed that we got. So it was the Peterbilt, grain cart, and this thing we got for the gator. And here's the, we had to re-weld a little bit of the frame. It broke at one part. We got upgraded leaf springs in it, so it's like having a 4500 Chevy. But today, we have to go pick up a new tractor. This one's going to be a four-wheel drive. It's 1993, so it's time to go get a new tractor anyways, because I'm going to let the Chevy warm up real quick. We have this tractor for scooping, which we need. And then we got this tractor for, you know, pulling. We use this one for, we use it for disking. And this one this is for grain duty. Then we have a 4840 we can use for, well, the new one we're going to use for planting. And then we have a 4840. I forgot to tell you guys about that. Right here it is, the 4840 on disking duty, which I would usually use the 4020 for, so. But we sold one of our planters. I don't know if I told you about that or not. So we're probably gonna buy a bigger one or something. Apparently they're coming up with one that's like 36 meters in the future, so we'll get that whenever that comes out. Get this out. There we go. Here we go. I don't know if I told you or not, but we sold the Case International Harvester. We also sold the 4440. You can see over here, we sold the Draper. We sold a couple things. So yeah, but Chevy should be warmed up now. Still running? No, it's shut off. There we go. So we're going to set off down this gravel road here. And, well, you know, go pick up a new tractor. Right, so you're probably thinking, I forgot my trailer. But I didn't, because my trailer was, well, I sold my trailer. I broke the axle on it, so I had to get a new one, and I bought it from here. So they said they got it in, and it'll be waiting out front, so. Start slowing down here. Oh, speed limit's 55 anyways. Oh. A dealership. Get a Combat over there. It's really old. Right, I need some seeds. Probably like just 2 packs, so I'll buy some. Right, there we go. There's 2. I'm gonna pull out here. And so they have some four-wheel drive tractors I see, and I need to get one. They said they had 2 8110s or 8410s or something like that. So I'm gonna pull it over here. Alright, so we have a couple here. Ooh, I see this one. It's got, I kind of like this, how it's got the weights up here. It's a 8410 John Deere. It's got these on it. It's got the, don't know if these are John Deere or Firestone, but they're pretty nice. Ooh, we have this one. I think these are definitely John Deere. This one's looking pretty nice. I'm not sure though. It's at 8,400. So yeah, I didn't really get anything. Let's see what type of. Okay, we got 2 point. Oh, basically 3 points. So this is a 3 point. So it's gonna. Really, it's kind of different. Whoa, I didn't even realize this guy. We're not gonna buy it because we already have some, but it's an old trike front. It's pretty nice. But yeah, I think it's definitely gonna be this one. And where's the stat? Oh yeah. It's definitely gonna be this one. I'm gonna go ahead and buy it. Whoa! This is a John Deere dealership, and they're selling Case. Oh, sorry. It's Case International. I don't need one, but I didn't know they'd sell those. Well, I'm gonna go in and buy it. Alright. I paid the price and it's mine. They gave me the keys to it. They said this thing was about 6 months old. The farmer that had it before me, he died and his grandkids, got the tractor inherited. And, it's, yeah. Long story. See if I can get, oh, there we go. So, oh, okay. I think it's got some hefty, nice controls. There we go. It's getting pretty hot. We good? Alright, back wheels. There we go. I don't want too much weight on that back. What I think I might do, I might just... Oh crap! I do have upgrades. Oh, I do have upgrade springs, and I'm scared about like this, like getting too close to the back, and then the rear end lifting up as I'm going down the road. There we go. That's right up to it. So that's good. And we'll make it home. As these ramps go up, I'm gonna toss some of that corn. Seed behind there. I need to get a shed for the seed. I think that's what we're gonna do. Let's get rolling. Oh crap. Did I bring the straps? No, dang it. It'll be fine. I'll just take the dirt road home. Close to the road to turn into. Here we go. Right, home safe and sound. We're gonna get it moved. This is my new place to put my trailer at. My truck is still gonna be in the garage, but here we go. There we go.